Good evening, Bayside. I'm meteorologist Anthony Sambucci with a Bayside Live TV weather update. Please follow Bayside Live TV. Going right to the weather story, we have a major storm. It's a big winter storm out in the Midwest, but we're looking to see big changes on the way. A major storm out over the Midwest, over portions of the northern tier of the country. But in the meantime, what a beautiful day we had today. There are those southerly winds ahead of that storm. What a beautiful day we had today. Temperatures in the lower 60s, a mix of sun and clouds. It was a really nice day. Temperatures in the mid 60s actually. So above average for this time of year, but there will be changes on the way. For your day tomorrow, we're looking for a mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the low to mid 60s again. So another beautiful day. But going into Sunday, wow, look at that. Lower to mid 40s. There's going to be a lot of changes on the way. It's going to get really windy, and the rain doesn't look to be a huge threat, but the wind from this weather front approaching the area on Sunday could be very hazardous. We're talking about wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour, which is pretty darn strong. And there you see even a chance of a flurry as the cold air rushes in on Sunday night. Northern portions of the region, especially upstate New York, could see some snow accumulation. Here we could see a chance of a flurry Sunday night, which would be the first of the season, and getting really close to that first freeze of the season as well. Going into Monday and Tuesday, really feeling more like early December. Temperatures in the lower 40s, low to mid 40s, a mix of sun and clouds, and still pretty windy. So an early look at Thanksgiving. There is a chance of rain. It looks to be mainly a mostly cloudy day in the lower 50s. That could change. That's an early look at your Thanksgiving day. So this is the culprit, a big low pressure system over the Midwest. That's going to slowly approach the region, but not before we have more southerly winds keep us nice and warm in the 60s tomorrow. And then big changes on the way, some rain, a lot of wind, and even a chance of some flurries and snow showers. That's right, you heard the word, snow. First big snow storm up in the Midwest, and we're looking for maybe the first flurries of the season here in our area. So a lot of changes on the way, Bayside. Temperature is currently in the 40s at this hour. We're dipping into the 50s at this hour, my bad. It was quite a long week. So a lot of work put in before Thanksgiving here in the weather forecasting department and in many departments as we all get our work in before the holidays. It's a very busy time of year, as you all may understand. There it is, the low pressure system of the Midwest. There's the snow in Minnesota, Wisconsin, all throughout the Midwest. Look at this big cold front though. We saw some severe weather out in portions of the Ohio River Valley, but by the time this cold front pushes to our area, we're just looking for a chance of some rain. Could be heavy at times, and it looks like it will be in the overnight hours of Saturday into Sunday. So early Sunday, keep an eye on the commute. Look at that, folks. Yes, a chance of some snow showers Sunday night. How about that? What a crazy weather pattern that we've seen. It's been quiet recently. We've had mainly mild and dry weather, but this is going to be a weather system, a strong low pressure system that will change the pattern. So the mild and dry weather we have seen, besides Tuesday, mild and dry weather we have seen will turn to cool and cold, wet weather. So get ready. It's going to be an interesting weekend, an interesting week of weather next week. Changes are on the way. Please follow Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci. I can be found on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and please follow Anthony Sambucci Weather at WordPress.com. Warm and dry tomorrow, Bayside, a nice Saturday, but a cool and wet and windy Sunday. And if you see some snow showers Sunday night into Monday, Do not be surprised. So changes are on the way. Warm and dry to cool and wet weather. This is a Bayside Live TV weather update by Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci. For those of you folks celebrating Thanksgiving next week, happy Thanksgiving and enjoy the weather. This is a Friday, November 18th, 2016 weather update from Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci. Enjoy the weather, everyone.